We have already completed some of the topics of this chapter where I explained you about the rise of Christianity. Today we will do Emperor Constantine and the spread of Christianity. As before, I explained to you that what was the condition of Christians. The Christians were hated and persecuted by the Romans and the Roman Emperor. Today we are going to do spread of Christianity in the Roman Empire, where you have to remember that towards the end of the 4th century AD, Christianity became the official religion of the Roman Empire. And St. Peter Church in Rome became the religious headquarters of the Christian world. Okay, this you have to remember. Now, Emperor Constantine and the spread of Christianity. Now, because of the initiative taken by Emperor Constantine, the religion became popular. Which religion? It is Christianity. Christianity became popular because of the initiative taken by Emperor Constantine. In AD 311, he issued the Edict of Toleration and recognized Christianity. So, who recognized Christianity? Constantine. How? By issuing the Edict of Toleration in AD 311. Okay. Next, you have to remember, and then after that, he granted freedom to worship, preach, and propagate Christianity. And after that, only you see the Christianity became very popular. So, under Theodosius, Christianity became the only religion recognized by the state. The only religion recognized by the state. Okay, day by day, the Christianity was becoming very popular. So slowly but steadily, Christianity spread throughout in the Roman Empire, which included most of the modern European countries. Next, you have Saint Paul, a disciple of Jesus Christ. Okay, so who was Saint Paul? He was a disciple of Jesus Christ, and he carried teachings to various countries in Greece and Rome. So Roman Emperor Constantine, he embraced Christianity in AD 313, and the Bishop of St. Peter Church in Rome came to be known as the representative of Christ on earth, and people called him Pope. So who was Pope? The representative of here, the Bishop of St. Peter Church in Rome, he who was known as representative of Christ on earth. He was called Pope. Okay. Now after that, Constantine started the custom of observing Sunday as a Christian holiday. Okay. Who started? It was by Constantine, the Roman emperor. And you know very well he was the one who took to make this religion very popular. Next is Constantine became the new capital of Byzantine Empire. Okay, Constantinople. It's not Constantine. Constantinople became the new capital of Byzantine Empire. So the Roman Emperor Constantine, he founded new capital at Byzantine in 330 AD, and the Byzantine Empire with its new capital Constantinople prospered for 1,000 years until 1453 AD. Okay, so what happened in 1453 AD? Fall of Constantinople in the hands of Turks. Okay, then you can see the Constantinople, there was a downfall of Constantinople. After that, medieval Europe, the city Constantinople became famous and center of Christianity, and the fall of Constantinople in the hand of Turks in 1453 was an important event in the history of Europe. Okay, it was an important event in the history of Europe. And after that, we see fall of the ancient Roman Empire. Okay, we see fall of ancient Roman Empire, and then we see what was the impact of the fall of Roman Empire. The fall of Roman Empire had an adverse impact on Latin learning. The spread of Latin language was halted, Okay, and the use of Latin language declined both at popular and official language. Okay, so here we can see the fall of Latin language. Fall of Latin language. Next we have Byzantine Empire. In 1455 AD, the Vandals invaded the city of Rome and plundered the city. And in 1476 AD, the last Roman emperor Romulus Augustus was deposed. So after this only a remnant of the Roman Empire survived in the east with its capital at Constantinople. And this truncated empire is referred to as the Byzantine Empire or the Eastern Roman Empire. Okay, so here the Roman Empire declined after 1453. So what happened in 1453? Fall of Constantinople in the hands of Turks. So this is very very important. So in today's class, you studied about emperor. You studied about Emperor Constantine and the spread of Christianity, where you studied that Constantine he took initiative to spread Christianity. Then Theodosius may recognize this Christianity as a state Christianity. Then you studied Saint Paul, who was the disciple of Jesus Christ, carried the Christ teaching in various countries, and Roman Emperor Constantine embraced Christianity in 313 AD. Then you studied about Roman Emperor Constantine founded a new capital at Byzantine in 330 AD, and the new capital prospered till 1453. And the name of the new capital was Constantinople. Medieval Europe, you studied Constantinople became very famous and became center of Christianity. But fall of Roman Empire, and what was the impact of the fall of Roman Empire? That Latin language was halted. And in 476 AD, the last Roman emperor Romulus Augustus was deposed, and we see decline of Constantinople after the fall in the hand of the Turks. So much only in today's class. Thank you.